Did you know Capital One Venture X has a secret hotel partner that's not listed on their website? This hotel partner could save you and your family hundreds of dollars booking luxury hotels in Europe. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to transfer your Capital One points to Choice Privileges loyalty program and book these luxury hotels in Europe through a special partnership. When you think of Choice Privileges program, you usually think of brands like Econo Lodge, Quality Inn, Comfort Inn, and not luxury. But did you know they have a special partnership with Preferred Luxury Hotels and Resorts, which are luxury boutique hotels all around the world? However, this partnership does not unlock all of the preferred luxury hotels around the world and only a subset, specifically 306. But those 306 are able to book with Choice Privileges points. Step 1, go to choicehotels.com. Step 2, go to the top right page and see where the button says join/sign in. Click that. Step 3, a prompt will come up. If you have an account already with Choice Privileges, sign in. Else, you'll want to create a new one and it says join now. Step 4, enter all your personal information and click join now. Step 5, they're going to ask to send you an email to verify your email address and click that, and then you're going to enter in your password. Step 6, when you go to the page, you'll see your account number for Choice Privileges loyalty program. Step 7, now you want to go directly to this specific link, choicehotels.com/ascend/preferred hotels. Step 8, click the sign in to start booking in the middle of the page. Step 9, you'll now see the full list of 306 hotel properties. Now you can use the filters to filter for where you're looking for. Step 10, I'm looking for a specific hotel properties in Lisbon, Portugal. So I'm going to focus for the filter on country for Portugal. You can also use regions if you want. Step 11, now that you've filtered, you will see how many actual properties are available in your country. And in Portugal, there's only 2. You can click view rates and a prompt will pop up to see if availability is actually available for the dates that you want. The lowest for Portugal right now is this hotel at 27,000 points. So how do you know if it's a good deal? Step 12, let's go figure that out and go to google.com. You'll want to copy and paste the hotel names from the 2 that you saw into Google and look them up. You'll want to enter in the same information such as number of people, the dates that you're arriving, and see what the cash fare is. Step 13, let's do some quick math. The first hotel is at 27,000 and is actually a great deal because the cash rate for this hotel for those set of dates is around 470 to 480 euros for those specific dates. While the second hotel is 37,000 points for 327 euros, which is not a great deal for using your points. And just to give you one additional data point, the Hyatt Regency Lisbon, which is on a fixed reward chart, is for 18,000 points for those same exact dates. Unfortunately, those hotel rooms are already booked when my friend asked. Step 14, now that you've decided that it's a good deal and you want to move forward, we'll need to go and transfer points, and you want to go to your Capital One account. Step 15, go to CapitalOne.com and use your credentials and click sign in on the top right. Step 16, go down to the middle of the page after you've logged in and click view your rewards. Step 17, at the middle of the page, click transfer rewards. Step 18, scroll down and 5 Choice Privileges US accounts only. Step 19, click on transfer miles. Step 20, a prompt will pop up. And now you'll want to enter your Choice Privileges account information that you just registered. Note, when you confirm the account information, you have to type it out by hand and not paste. Step 21, click next, and then you'll want to enter in the amount of points that you want to transfer, which could be 27,000 depending on how many nights you're staying, and then click continue. Step 22, you'll want to wait roughly 24 hours for the points to transfer from Capital One to Choice Privileges. Step 23, once the points have transferred to your account, you'll want to go back to the Choice Privileges Preferred Hotels webpage that I have linked below. Step 24, filter by country, such as Portugal, and find the hotel that you want, and click view rates again. Step 25, in the calendar view, select the dates that you are going for again, and make sure that they're still available, and click continue. Step 26, you should now see the 2 different room types that you have, and click on the room that you want. In my example, I do not have enough points, but since you've transferred, this should be now able to continue on. Step 27, select the room and then enter in all your personal information and click confirm to book your reservation. One important tip to call out for you In the past, when you had to do this specific booking between choice privileges and preferred hotels, you had to do it over the phone and you had to find a specific representative that knew how to do it. There was a chance of you arriving at the preferred hotel and they do not have your reservation under points but cash. You might be like, ah! Stay calm, do not panic. At this point, you should just easily call the choice privileges reservation line, that's 24 hours, and explain the situation. You should let them know that you have booked online and they will be able to handle it for you. Now that the system is linked together and you can book online directly, I think the chance of a horror story is lower than before when you were doing this through choice privileges manually online through the phone. So don't worry, keep the phone number with you and you'll be okay. And if you want to learn more about the Capital One Venture X transfer partners, check out this next video.